How's it going, Hbar family? It's good to be back with another Hbar update after this insane rally that we saw and called from yesterday's update. Why? Because we saw some bullish divergences, and today we're going to go into that in a bit more detail. So before we do that, please don't forget to like, subscribe as over 50% of you aren't, comment and share this video update if you can. Otherwise, please do go ahead and enjoy today's update. Now, what we were talking about in yesterday's video was that we were seeing consecutive lower lows, but this indicator over here was in disagreement. So for that reason, we call it a bullish divergence. Not only did we see this on Hbar, but also on other alts like your VeChain, also on the big boy Bitcoin as well. So Bitcoin was showing us this. I always say start your day off with the Bitcoin update, as that is going to give you a little idea of where other cryptos are going. So for example, Hbar, we saw the similar thing. So if we know Bitcoin is going to do something and we're seeing this similar things on the Hbar chart or any other alts chart, then it's more likely that it is going to happen, because we've got an alignment where, as Bitcoin is the mothership, it is in total control of where the crypto market is headed to next in the immediate short term to the midterm. So we are getting this pump right now. If you remember from yesterday's update, and if I quickly show you where we were talking about this bullish divergence, we were saying over here, if we just zoom in a little bit, that we had a disagreement with the higher lows and the lower lows over over here. But we were also saying that even if price pumps up into these key levels of resistance, it still wouldn't be enough, even as high as that 200 EMA. So we were at the price of 4864 at the time of recording, 4864. So right down here, in and around this area, slightly below this, but I can't get it exactly on there. And from that point, 4864, if we can get there again, we're on 6.5, and then we're now up around 6% with a peak of 8.4%. So if you took this, well done, guys. This was totally given free on the channel over here. I hope you guys are profiting from these moves. If you're not yet understanding that there's moves being given for free, there's money out here being given for free to you guys. You just need to use the information. If you're not sure on how to use that information, send me a private message. I can give you 3 months in my Discord community for free, so you can see how all of my other students are taking trades. They do also share their trade ideas, as well as me also sharing my personal investments and what cryptos I'm looking at in the long term, as well as more exclusive content such as weekly group calls, where over on Tuesday, I think it was, we did a weekly group call for over 1.5 hours dissecting all of these charts that we're looking at, and any chart requests that you want at any given time, I am there to help everyone out. You can just become a student, or do the mentorship, or just simply join the chat. You don't need to get the 3 months. That is through the education. It's up to you with which option you want to go through. Just message me for more details, guys. It's as simple as that. Head over to the links in the description below to the x/twitter.com website. Follow me there for more content already. I think I already posted a Hbar update on Twitter today. So yeah, for those people that do have Twitter and are not yet following, it's Louis_crypto with the blue tick. But please, I would suggest going through the links in the description, because there are scammers out there. There's even new scam Discord accounts copying me, which is very annoying. But yeah, I'm the guy of the blue tick on Twitter. So yeah, so although this is very exciting, from the moment we called that bullish divergence, we are up about 6 to 8, whatever it was, 6 to 8%. It might be exciting for you guys. You might have been profiting from this move already if you did take it, but for me it's not exciting, simply because I know that there is something around the corner. Although we've got this short-term bullish divergence and we are seeing the reaction and we are breaking out and profiting from this, it doesn't necessarily mean that Hbar is out of the woods, although this is all happening. So we need to see some key things going on over here. For me, I know that in the last update, if we have a look over here, I was saying we need a reclaim of the 200 EMA and this purple line at 5545, and this 200 EMA sitting at 5657. I know that I said that I would like this to be flipped into support, but can you see that 382 fib right there, this purple box? I think I did already talk about this purple. Yeah, I did. Actually, no, I've already mentioned it, so you would have been aware if you were staying tuned and tuned into yesterday's update. If you haven't, this is why you need to subscribe and turn on that notification bell on, because we just pump out so many crypto updates. There's too many. Sometimes I'm not able to make an update. That's either because I'm busy, or if I'm not able to, I will actually cover it in the Discord chat if anyone does ask for it. But we can see to the left over here, we had this wick rejection just slightly beneath that 5.9 level of the 382 fib over here, but we're still rejecting it. And over here to the a little bit to the right of that, we see another wick rejection at that point. So we know that this is a key level of resistance. We also saw the 200 EMA sitting there. So for me, that's a point of interest. I need to see that cleared. So flip that into support. So not only do we need to get above the 0.5 fib, the 200 EMA, we also need to reclaim that 382 fib over here at 5901 for us to flip this back into an uptrend. So at that point, it's not going to happen like this, but I'm just pretending that it's reclaim 382 level, and then we need to continue from that point. Otherwise, we could get all the way up into there, and it doesn't mean anything. It doesn't mean we're bullish, guys. We could then eventually still crash and head to lower price targets. Please do understand that. But don't you worry, I will be here along the way. So if anything does change, I'll let you know. But that is the plan for now. And then if that's not playing out, we've got that other plan. So my personal plan that I'm currently following is that we're just running into resistance and eventually going to continue lower. That plan can change. We can go up from here just like that, as I've mentioned. You could also, as you come down, find support here and have another go, and it actually works. So when it does all come to fruition, I will let you guys know just a little bit before it all happens, when we get the signs, because as of now, the signs are that we are going up until we meet this key level resistance. Yes, the 20 is, this is basically saying what the immediate short-term trend is. So if we see a daily candle close above this point, we're going straight up to the 55. A daily candle close above this point, we're going straight up into that price point over there. But please do understand, while we are underneath this white line over here, if we look in the past, what happens when we are under the white line? Price continues in a downtrend. And where are we under? What are we doing right now? We are currently under. Although with the bullish signals right now, you could pump up into there, and you can see previously we've pumped up into there and eventually come crashing back down. So that is why I know what's potentially going to be around the corner, and I am preparing you guys for it. So please do give me a like, give a comment below if you're finding value in these video updates. If you want to message me about more details, whether you want to join the Discord community and join about 90 people in there. I think 95% of them are students of mine, and about 5% of them are just like you guys, just wanting to see how the community is and be part of those weekly group calls, as well as seeing all of those Discord updates, as well as the student trade ideas that you can find in there as well. That's it from me today. Any further questions, message me on Twitter. The links are in the description and pinned comment section below. Cheers.